Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find privacy protection. Then let's scroll and find special permissions and localize the option which is called install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, not from the Play Store as regular, but from my browser. So all we have to do is to simply find it in the list, tap on it, and then tap on the switcher. Here we've got the warning because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Basically, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you have to mark this section, the sentence, that you're aware of the possible risks, because as I said, you're doing it on your own responsibility, and tap on OK. Now let's go back, and as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and if you wish, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.